Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings app. From the settings, scroll down to Device Maintenance right here, and you'll find option called Storage, so tap on that. Then choose the three dots right here and go into Storage Settings, where you will find your SD card. So it's right here. Tap on it, and then you'll find the option to format it. So tap on that. It gives you a message that performing this will basically remove all the data from the card. So if there's something that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before you begin the process. Otherwise, you will lose it. But assuming you have already done that, or you just want to remove it and not keep it, then just tap on Format. The process will begin. It's fairly brief one, just takes a couple of seconds. And when it's finished, it will be immediately ready to be used again. So as you can see, it's now done and ready to use. So just tap on Done, and there we go. So that is how you would format the SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.